What up? What up? What up? You know who it is. It's your man, Boss Gang VIP, back with the weekly money watch. Man, last week was absolutely amazing. I expect this week, this upcoming week, to be absolutely amazing as well. We have some important events that are going to take place this week. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it like we always do. Quick update on the Roth portfolio. Everything is going absolutely phenomenal. We continue to hit new all time highs. If you know anybody who's interested in learning how to invest the right way, make sure to send them over to the channel. We're going to be teaching cover calls, cash secure puts, different ways to generate income. Because again, we're going to get this port all the way to $1 million. We started with $100. We're doing really, really well, and we're going to keep this going. U.S. economics calendar for the week: Monday, September 15th, Empire State Manufacturing Survey; Tuesday, U.S. retail sales minus autos, industrial production. But what everyone is going to be looking forward to: interest rate decisions, Wednesday, September 17th. FOMC interest rate decisions, 2 p.m. Eastern. And the press conference with Fed Chair Powell at 2:30 p.m. Eastern. Thursday, initial jobless claims, U.S. leading economic indicators, and Mary Daly of the Fed is speaking on Friday. Let's get into the almanac for the week. So, according to the almanac, starting the week Monday, September 15th, Monday before September quad witching, NASDAQ has been down 14 of the last 25 trading sessions. Tuesday, historically bullish. What does that mean? Bullish more than 60% of the time. NASDAQ, 81% of the time it finished green. S&P, 71.4. And Dow, 81%. Wednesday, here's some notes. Monthly expiration week, 2001. Dow lost 1,370 points, or 14.3%. 14th worst weekly point lost ever. Sixth worst week overall. Wednesday, we'll see what happens. Thursday, mixed. And Friday, this is typically when the market historically has been bearish. SPY has only been green 23.8% of the time, NASDAQ 36.1%, and the Dow 38.1% of the time. Excuse me, NASDAQ 38.1 as well. So September quad witching, Dow has been up 11 of the last 20, but down 9 of the last 12. So how are we going to deal with that? So I'm interested to see how this week goes. As you can see, there's a lot of bullish notes, but there's also some bearish notes in there. And we have some interest rate decisions. So how does that go? We'll figure that out together. Let's go ahead and get into some setups that I am looking at for this week. Let's get into it. All right. So the first chart I have up is Conagra, CAG. Interesting thing about Conagra, it's all the way down. Let's count these years. So this yearly, this is a yearly chart here. And I noticed that this price came all the way down, took out 14 years of price action: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, so this is those 14-year lows, right? So we took out a lot of levels. I noticed, let's go to the quarter, see what we're kind of looking like. So we pushed down in the quarter as well, and we haven't got a, guaranteed push back up, but we can kind of see where it could potentially push back up there. I'll go to this month chart. We currently have double inside month. It would be a 212 month above 1978. So we're looking for 2 to 1 minute entries above 1920. And if we look at where the lows were, the actual lows were around $18 and some change. And since that point, it's up about $1. Corporate data earnings October 1st before market, and then you have the earnings call 9:30 a.m. Eastern. So Conagra, if that gets to going, first shot, first target we're looking at is about $24, and we get past that, we're looking at around 28. The next thing we're going to look at is eBay. eBay has been strong. So this one's pretty simple. We started the month down, kind of pushed back up, back over this 90-91 level, currently where we are now. So we have a 1 minute entry above $90.91, finished at $90.80. I want to see if we can get back, take out this high 101.15, and ultimately get up to about 110. So this is one of these situations where I just think overall in the market, there's going to be a lot of stock picking going on. So, it's not going to be the overall market performance. It's going to be the performance of individual stocks. So I think that's always the case. And I think those things will be exaggerated this week. IBM, the next ticker we're looking at. What do we got on this one? This is let me highlight this. Oh, this is a 1 minute entry as well. So 1 minute above 253.62. This is interesting. IBM has been on fire, right? It's been in a strong uptrend. And we got some corrective activity. We had a 2 down, 2 up month, kind of pulled back a little, but everything is pointing up. Inside quarter, absolutely strong. It's red. We want to see if we can get that quarter to turn back green. And then as far as the year, we've pushed up. And we want to see if we can get back to those highs. So it'll be interesting to see how the market reacts to the interest rates this week. Let me know what you think. Will we get a 25 basis point cut, a full 0.5 cut? What's it going to be? A full point? Are they going to raise? What do you guys think? So anyway, hopefully this helped you guys out. If you have any questions, thoughts, ideas, as always, make sure to let me know. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video if you haven't already, share it with the people you love. Looking forward to having an absolutely fantastic week. With that being said, it's your man Boss Gang VIP with the weekly money watch. I'm out. Peace.